Is the process of turning raw course outlines into a fully-fledged learning path slowing you down? At Colloki, we understand the challenge of manual data entry and the time lost in content structuring. Today, we're demonstrating the Colloki Platform's power to deliver instant, automated course creation within your target EdTech system. Whether you use a bulk file upload or a quick chat command, our agent streamlines the process. It extracts course information and fetches metadata through an API, formats the output into the required structure, and automatically calls the EdTech system's API. This ensures your new courses, learning paths, and resources are created immediately and flawlessly. The first way to trigger this agent is through bulk processing. We begin right here, uploading the user's central business Excel, containing course names, modules, and durations. The Colloki Agent extracts the data, calls the EdTech Platform's metadata API for enrichment, and automatically generates the system-ready bulk upload file. Finally, the agent calls the EdTech Platform's bulk upload API, instantly creating multiple courses in their learning path module. And just like that, you can see all the courses from your Excel file have been successfully created and published directly within your EdTech platform. Crucially, the modules are structured into the learning path, with associated courses automatically added as resources. Now, let's look at the power of flexibility. What if you only need to create a single course right now? Colloki Agent can be configured to take direct, conversational input. Instead of uploading a file, we simply give the course name and its modules directly in the chat window. The agent immediately processes this natural language request, follows the exact same intelligent workflow extracting course details. Calling the metadata API, and generating the necessary format. And instantly executes the final course creation API call. The speed and efficiency are identical, whether you use a bulk upload or a quick chat command. The result is a fully structured course created in the EdTech Platform's Learning Path module. What once took hours of manual effort is now an instant and time-saving operation. The Colloki Platform gives you the choice and the speed to streamline complex integrations, ensuring maximum operational efficiency across all your input channels. Build smarter, build faster, build with Colloki.